Welcome back. You're still tuned in to Trading Hour. Well, the markets, they continue to be stable at these levels, but a lot happening in the commodity space as well. So let's shift focus to that. Manisha Gupta is joining in now, and today we are focusing on crude, Manisha.
Oh, well, yes, we are. Last week was a 10% decline for the crude oil prices. And when you look at the third quarter itself, the crude oil prices have turned 15% into negative. Overnight, we did see some gains coming in. And this is after following on what really is happening in the Gulf of Mexico. The Hurricane Atlantic season is upon us. And there are concerns that 120,000 barrels per day could be impacted because of the Hurricane Chansey, which can convert into a second category hurricane, make a landfall on Wednesday. And ahead of that, various companies within that area have said that they have either evacuated, partially shut down various plants there, and that is where we saw the premium coming in from. Having said that, it hasn't sustained, and that clearly is what the crude oil prices seem to be doing right now, even as OPEC and allies have said that they are postponing their output production increases by 2 months. That we didn't see that impact coming on the crude oil prices, and lower lows is what we've seen come in for this commodity here. The markets also have seen various statements come in from banks and brokerages talking about lower crude oil prices now. Bank of America and Citi are talking about 75 and a possibility of 60 as well in the next year. A latest report from Trafigura also has seen a revision in sense of forecast. They're talking about $60 to $70 of crude oil prices there. Morgan Stanley has come out with the latest report saying that the global oil markets will see 1 million barrels per day of a surplus in 2025. They also have brought down their fourth quarter Brent expectation to 75 and WTI at 70 for the next year. Now, Street, of course, will watch out for the U.S. inflation data that comes in on Wednesday and Thursday, and further direction would come in for that. But at this point in time, continuing to trade negative for crude.
Thank you very much for that. We will slip into a very short break. We'll come back and discuss technicals with Videsh Thakkar. Stay tuned.